Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Kim from Yealink Technical Support Team. Today I will introduce the Yealink Teams IP phone to you guys. There are three models of Yealink Teams IP phone: MP54, MP56, MP58. All three phones have four advantages in common. The first one is that all of these are powered by Android 12 for smoother performance and robust security. The second one is that this phone supports 4 duplex audio and supports noise block AI to keep some of the distracting noise. The third one is that this phone supports Microsoft Yealink Unified Secure Device Management Platform. The fourth is that all of these support firmware upgrade ability between Teams and Skype for Business. MP56 is a Teams certified IP phone with a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. We have got awesome sound quality and a magnetic handset, ensuring you get crystal clear calls. What's more, there's a dedicated button just for Teams. You can also connect your Bluetooth headset and access Wi-Fi easily. It's a perfect solution for everyone in the office, needing a reliable and user-friendly phone. Let's look at the front of the MP56 first. As you can see, this is a 7-inch color touchscreen handset, and the speaker is under the handset. And these are physical keys. We have the number pad. We can start dialing with it at any time. We have speaker button for us to start dialing as well. We have the on-hold button here. Transfer calls and put them on on-hold first. This is a redial and the volume control here. This button looks like a headset, and let's enable you to place and receive calls through a headset. The LED indicator goes green when the headset is activated. That is a mute button here, and your touchscreen here. This Team button is like a home button. It takes you to the home screen. Now let's look at the back of the MP56. One USB-A port. You can use it to connect to EXP50, which is an expansion model. You can specify the group of Teams contacts to display on it. This USB-A port also supports to connect a USB headset. About these three ports, one port for connect to PC. The second is network port. MP56 can also power on this port when it is networked and powered by a PoE switch. The third port is used to connect to the power supply. The two ports on the left, one is used to plug the headset and the other one is used to plug the handset. And now I will power up the MP56. After power is connected, the screen displays welcome. The indicator in the upper right corner of the screen will also appear red. It will be changed to the Yealink logo in a few seconds. When the Microsoft logo appears, MP56 has been successfully booted and is running the Teams app. At this time, we just need to wait for the login interface to load and enter the Teams account and the password to log in. Okay, I will log into my account for a demo. There are two ways to log in currently. The first is sign in on the device. We only need to enter the account and the password on the MP56 via the touchscreen or keypad keys. If you think it's difficult or not used to typing characters on the phone, you can also go to Microsoft Device Login website to log in and enter the code shown on your device and select Next. In this case, MP56 can also log in successfully. This is the main interface of the MP56 Teams version. About the calls, you can use dial pad on the left and dial any number. Make a team calls from the screen clicking, as well as keypad keys. About the calendar, you can track the meetings coming up for the next several days. About the voicemail, you can manage all your different voicemail from here. Listen them and delete them. About more, you can use walkie-talkie function and the other Teams feature. We can open the setting page by clicking the character icon. Here you can find the information related to the MP phone and the Teams account. You can also choose whether to choose Wi-Fi or Internet connection here. As I mentioned earlier, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi function also can be turned on here. Please enable the Wi-Fi button. Then the device will look for wireless networks to connect to, and you can choose which one you want. Please enable the Open Discover button. The device then looks for the Bluetooth to pair with, and you can choose which one you want. The device is capable of Wi-Fi or an Internet connection. It also has Bluetooth capability as well as USB connectivity. And finally, I will show you one of the cool features of the MP56, Hybrid Mode. Hybrid Mode feature on Teams devices provide the simultaneous experience of Teams app and the SIP app. How to enjoy Yealink Hybrid Mode? There will be two apps. The Teams app and the SIP app run on one Yealink phone at the same time. I can use team-related features such as call history, Teams meeting, voicemail. If I call someone who is using SIP account, I can click the quick ball. To quick switch the SIP app, we can call it the Survivability app, SIP-related feature, Dialpad, check my contact, see the call history. I can receive or making Teams and SIP call anytime. If we receive a Teams call while using the SIP app, the phone will return to the Teams interface eventually. Okay, that's all about the MP56.